Global School Playday is something that we've been doing since 2020, and it gives kids the chance to have some time for unstructured play. They get to pick things that they like to do, and it's totally teacher hands-off. We let them problem solve and work together and get to do, an afternoon of some unstructured playtime, which is great for their developmental needs.
What are you guys doing?
Playing devil sticks.
They're called devil sticks, and we brought these in today, and we just thought they'd be a lot of fun, and everybody enjoys them. We just wanted to bring them in today because everybody might enjoy them, and he just got them, and I thought I might teach him a bit, and we might learn off of each other, so yeah.
That's really nice. Do you like him?
Sure.
Is he your best friend?
Bossy.
Yeah. So Joey, what song are you going to be playing right now? This is one that I made, so yeah. Okay, let's hear it.
It's nice to see the things that kids get to pick, what their interests are, what engages them, and it's also really exciting to see how they get to do that imaginative, creative play. It's so funny because in a classroom setting, they're very much what the expectations of the classroom are, but when they're in that unstructured time, they are coming up in their own little worlds. They're creating, who's mom, who's playing dad, who's a dinosaur, who's a police officer, who's a teacher, and it's interesting to see, what kind of roles they pick for themselves.
So can you tell us a little bit about what you made today?
I kind of just got the idea to make a basketball net in the arcade, I grabbed paper and I stapled all the papers to make a basket, and I just so it's just a bit out of order, even though.
What was some of the games you played today?
Well, I played slime with my other friend, and then I played taco versus burrito.
Did you guys make all those bracelets today?
Yeah.
I mean, we made
trying to
10.
give them to all their people.
And this is gonna be a skeleton where the snake is going into its mouth.
It's funny to see the kids who wanted to do play school and write and conduct their own morning meeting, and it's interesting to see kind of their take on a classroom in their world.
So why do you want to bring your guitar in?
It was because I really like to play my guitar, and if I can bring anything into school, it would be my guitar, because I could play it at school, and I think that's just cool.
That sounds really good. Thank you. You guys have fun today?
Oh yeah, Daddy.
Global School Playday is just so much fun for the students. It's fun for the teachers to kind of hang back and let them take ownership of what they're doing, and I think it's something that they've been looking forward to for the last couple weeks, so we're excited to have it back for another year.